The ocean is full of incredible stories, but some are so special, so unusual, that they capture our hearts and minds. In the vast, chilly waters of the North Atlantic lives one such legend. His name is Old Thom. He is a magnificent male orca, a killer whale, but he is unlike any other. For more than 20 years, he has been seen swimming all by himself. From the rocky shores of Nova Scotia down to the sandy hook of Cape Cod, Old Thom travels alone. This is his territory. And in a part of the ocean where seeing just one killer whale is an event of a lifetime, Old Thom is a true ghost, a fleeting shadow that appears and disappears, leaving us all breathless and full of questions. What makes Old Thom so famous? It's that distinctive dorsal fin. It's tall and proud like all male orcas, but it has a special notch about a third of the way down. This little imperfection is his signature. It allows scientists and whale watchers to know, without a doubt, that it's him. When a charter boat captain spots that fin cutting through the waves, the news spreads like wildfire. Just this past summer, in August of 2025, he was seen again near Gloucester, Massachusetts. He was doing what he does best, swimming gracefully and mysteriously. Every sighting adds another chapter to his amazing story, a story of survival against all odds in the lonely expanse of the sea. He was first officially documented way back in 2005. Back then, he was just an adolescent, his dorsal fin not yet fully grown. A researcher named Juke Robbins saw him in the Bay of Fundy and knew he was witnessing something rare. In those early years, he would appear every couple of years. But lately, something has changed. For the last 4 years in a row, from 2022 to 2025, he has made his annual appearance. It's almost as if he's becoming more comfortable, or perhaps more curious. Each visit gives us another glimpse into the life of this solitary giant, an animal that continues to defy everything we thought we knew about his kind. His name, Old Thom, is a nod to another famous orca from history. Almost 100 years ago, an orca named Old Thom in Australia was known for helping human whalers. Our Old Thom isn't helping whalers, but he is helping us understand something profound about nature. He is a local celebrity in New England. When he is spotted, whale-watching boats fill up, and everyone hopes for a chance to see the legendary lone orca of the Atlantic. He reminds us that the ocean still holds deep secrets and that incredible animals are living extraordinary lives right off our shores. He is more than just a whale. He is a symbol of wildness and wonder. The biggest question that surrounds Old Thom is a simple one. Why is he alone? Orcas are some of the most social animals on the entire planet. They live in tight-knit family groups called pods, which are led by the oldest female, the matriarch. They hunt together, they play together, and they travel together their entire lives. For a male orca, this bond is especially strong. Most males, particularly the fish-eating kind that researchers believe Old Thom is, will never leave their mother's side. The pod is their support system. It's how they learn, how they survive, and how they thrive. A lone orca is a deeply unusual and puzzling sight. Scientists are completely fascinated by this. Old Thom has never ever been seen with another killer whale. This breaks all the rules of orca behavior. How has he survived for over 2 decades without a pod to help him hunt or protect him? For a fish-eating orca, the mother and family are critical for a long life. Without them, males often don't live very long. Yet, Old Thom seems to be doing just fine. He is a picture of health each time he is spotted, a powerful animal navigating a complex ocean world all on his own. His very existence is a scientific mystery that we are desperate to solve. Where did he even come from? That's another piece of the puzzle. There is no known group of orcas that lives year-round in the waters off New England. Sightings are incredibly rare. Some scientists, like Steve Ferguson, think he may have wandered down from a population that lives seasonally in eastern Canada. Perhaps he got lost, perhaps he was cast out, or perhaps something happened to his entire family, leaving him as the sole survivor. Without a genetic sample, it is impossible to know for sure. His origin story is as mysterious as his lonely journey through the Atlantic. This is why every sighting is so precious. Researchers dream of getting a small tissue sample or even a fecal sample. That tiny piece of evidence could unlock a world of information. It could tell us about his diet, confirming if he is indeed a fish eater. It could reveal his health and, most importantly, connect him to a specific orca population. Is he related to the orcas near Newfoundland, or does he come from a group we don't even know exists? Until we can get those answers, Old Thom remains an enigma. He is a living, breathing question mark swimming in the ocean, challenging us to learn more. If Old Thom is a story of solitude, it's also a story of surprising companionship. While he has never been seen with another of his kind, he is often found in the company of other marine mammals. Most frequently, he is spotted cruising alongside a pod of Atlantic white-sided dolphins. Imagine that sight, a massive black and white killer whale, the ocean's apex predator, moving peacefully with a group of sleek, playful dolphins. It's a scene that seems to come straight out of a storybook. It shows a side of nature that is gentle and cooperative, rather than just competitive. These sightings offer a clue about how this lone wanderer might be coping with his solitude. This behavior is truly remarkable. We know some types of orcas hunt dolphins, but Old Thom seems to have no interest in that. He travels with them, sometimes for miles. This has led scientists to wonder if he has formed some sort of bond with them. Has he in a way adopted them as his surrogate family? It's a beautiful thought, but the truth is likely more complicated. He isn't always with them, so it's probably not a permanent family unit. But maybe he seeks them out for social interaction, a way to break up the monotony of a lonely existence. It's possible he just enjoys their company. Could they even communicate? That's a fascinating question. Orcas and dolphins are both incredibly intelligent, and both use complex sounds to talk to each other. However, their languages are very different. It would be like a person who only speaks English trying to have a deep conversation with someone who only speaks Mandarin. There would be huge barriers, but perhaps they have found a simple way to understand each other. Maybe they communicate through body language or by matching each other's speed and direction. This interspecies friendship is one of the most heartwarming parts of Old Thom's story. His peaceful nature with dolphins also gives us a big clue about what he eats. In the world of orcas, there are different cultures. Some pods specialize in hunting marine mammals like seals and dolphins, while others eat only fish. Since Old Thom is so friendly with other mammals, scientists are almost certain he is a fish eater. He might be hunting the large bluefin tuna that are also found in the same waters. This makes his survival even more impressive, as hunting large, fast fish alone is an incredible challenge. His friendship with dolphins isn't just a sweet detail, it's a key piece of evidence in the scientific case of Old Thom. Today is September 26, 2025, and the legend of Old Thom is stronger than ever. For the people of New England, he is more than just a scientific curiosity, he is a local hero. When news of a sighting breaks, a special kind of excitement ripples through the coastal communities. Phones buzz, social media lights up, and everyone turns their eyes to the sea. He has become a cherished part of the region's identity. He represents the wild, untamed spirit of the Atlantic Ocean, a powerful reminder that we share these waters with magnificent and mysterious beings. His presence transforms an ordinary day into an unforgettable event. This public fascination is a wonderful thing. It connects people directly to the ocean and its health. Old Thom inspires a sense of stewardship and a desire to protect the marine environment he calls home. His story encourages tourism, with whale watchers eagerly booking trips in the hopes of catching a glimpse of the famous solitary orca. He is a powerful ambassador for marine conservation. When people feel a personal connection to an animal like Old Thom, they are more likely to care about the threats facing our oceans, from pollution to climate change. He gives us a reason to fight for a healthier planet. For scientists, Old Thom represents a frontier of knowledge. He is a puzzle that could unlock new understandings of orca behavior, social structure, and resilience. How can one animal survive and thrive in conditions that should be impossible? What does his story tell us about the adaptability of this incredible species? The quest to learn more about him, to get that genetic sample, to track his movements more closely, to understand his origins, is a driving force in Atlantic marine biology. He is a single animal, but the lessons he could teach us are enormous. He is a living laboratory swimming freely in the wild. In the end, Old Thom's story is powerful because it is both a scientific mystery and a tale of incredible heart. He is the ultimate survivor, a lonely king in a vast blue kingdom. He is the unlikely friend finding companionship across species. He is a symbol of the wild wonders that still exist in our world, hiding just beyond the horizon. As he continues his solitary journey, Old Thom carries with him the hopes of scientists and the admiration of all who hear his story. He is a true ocean legend, and his legacy will continue to inspire awe and curiosity for many years to come.